G'day DIYers. The first job I do is before waterproofing, I give my floor a scrape. To get in any loose stuff around the edges. I've just taken off that architrave. So you just give it a bit of a scrape. Then a good sweep and a vacuum. And you're laughing. Thanks everyone for the beautiful comments that you're sending in. I really appreciate it. This is just the beginning. What I'm going to be doing in here, it's I've found out from the owner that it's the same vanity as what I've got in the ensuite. So once I've done all this floor and everything, I'll take this off, but I'll probably cut out a bit of that cement sheet and throw in some timber, just to make sure that I've got, like, I'm pretty safe here. I might just measure it. It's a 900 vanity, but we'll see. I may be putting in some timber in here that I've got something to screw to, because I know what I'm going to face my next vanity. So, but this will be easy. This is an easy one because I know what's happening. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'm going to start doing all my silicone before I paint on my waterproof. Okay, we'll see you. Bye.